Today marks a monumental moment in education in Bhutan as we gather here for the launch of Educare skill, a pioneering platform that is set to revolutionize the way our children learn and grow. It's an honor to stand before you, knowing that our tireless efforts have finally borne fruit. Before I proceed further, I must seek permission from our esteemed guests for a slight deviation from the traditional decorum. Today, as we celebrate the launch of Educare skill, I feel compelled to adopt a more casual and, dare I say, a more boastful tone. Why? Because what we have achieved is nothing short of extraordinary, and if I can, I'm going to shout it from the rooftops today. Before I really get into the content that Educare skill has at the moment, I'd like to first acknowledge my team, the dream team of epic proportions, because my teammates, they have not beat me. No, I'm saying this because they deserve it. So from the coding wizards who can make computers sing and dance, to our content writers who can make a bedtime story from quantum physics if they can, and I wouldn't be surprised. Illustrators who can make even a sloth look attractive. Animators who have never, some of them, they've never danced in real life, but can make the characters wiggle in the smoothest way. And visual editors who recognize colors with closed eyes. Together, we are like the Avengers, minus the capes, but we have the superpower to multitask about 10 projects at the same time. So that's it about my team. I want to thank them all. So if I really get into the content, the question that we're usually asked is, how long did this content take to be produced? So we have been working on this content for more than 3 years. After vigorous surveys and research, our dedicated team has worked day and night, fueled by passion and a shared vision to create something truly remarkable. And today I'm proud to say that Educare skill stands as a testament to the creativity and innovation of Bhutan. Educare skill is made by Bhutanese people, and it's made in this country, our country. That's what sets our content apart. Before we actually started producing this content, the questions that we actually asked ourselves was, how long do we feed off the content from outside? And how long do our kids stay disconnected from the rich culture heritage of Bhutan? Our content has been curated with all this in mind. With a local touch, majority of our content is in 𝗂𝘂𝗀𝗃. We have an array of captivating and educational series that caters to diverse interests and learning needs of our young learners. And trust me, we've got something for everyone. First up, we have the Tales of the Four Friends, which is an enchanting 3D animation series consisting of 12 episodes, where, as you can make out from the title, it's about four friends called Zala, Chunku, Tongtong, and Karma, who bond over their love for a fig tree, and this is loosely based on the story of the 𝗬𝗂𝗺𝗁𝗂. This series is something you can binge watch on a weekend, and it follows these four characters and their heartwarming adventures as they learn invaluable lessons about friendship, life, and facing challenges. Then there's our 2D animation series called The Adventures of the Monkey King, also consisting of 12 episodes. This follows the journey of 𝗬𝗂𝗺𝗁𝗂 as he cleverly assumes the throne and becomes the king of the forest, showcasing the power of intellect and resourcefulness. 𝗬𝗂𝗺𝗁𝗂, who becomes the Monkey King, he gives the best advices, and if you're going through some messy situation, he has a solution to all problems. And let's not forget the Dr. Carrot. It's also a 2D animation series consisting of 12 episodes, and it's packed with health and wellness tips. So it's quite interesting when a carrot who's a doctor gives you tips, and it's even interesting to see brinjals running a marathon. It definitely gets you thinking about your healthy lifestyle. And we have our Dragon Tales and our Monkey King Read Aloud video series with over 100 episodes of captivating stories narrated by talented voice artists and brought to life by our beautiful illustrations. These stories are not only entertaining, but they also impart invaluable wisdom and life lessons deeply rooted in Bhutanese folklore and culture heritage that will resonate with people all years to come. And who could overlook our delightful nursery rhyme series featuring the adorable duo Daza and Nono as they take us on a musical journey filled with catchy melodies and important life lessons in each episode. And of course, you can't miss their irresistible dance moves. Last but certainly not the least, we have 𝗖𝗂𝘀𝘁cie, our interactive learning platform that's designed to make learning engaging and an enjoyable experience. For now, we have the alphabets, but in the future, we will be incorporating phonetics and more. In this 𝗖𝗂𝘀𝘁cie, kids can trace and learn the letters, and also we have games related to these letters in between. In the coming days, that is in the future, Educare Skill will be filled with more content that will be supplementary, such as exam-related content for students who will be appearing for both exams, and of course extracurricular activity videos, profession-related content, skilling content, and so much more. But what truly sets Educare Skill apart is its Bhutanese heart and soul. Every piece of content has been meticulously crafted and curated by Bhutanese creators, ensuring that our culture, heritage, and values are at the forefront of every learning experience. So as we embark on this exciting journey, I invite each one of you to witness the magic for yourselves. Our platform is not just about education, it's about instilling a love for learning, nurturing curiosity, and shaping the future leaders of Bhutan. Thank you to my incredible team for their unwavering dedication, and to all of you for joining us on this momentous occasion. Together, let's pave the way for a brighter, more empowered generation of Bhutanese leaders. Thank you, and 𝗖𝗿𝗲𝗍.